let's turn off the password for free apps. Now, if you're trying to download free apps on your iPhone and it's asking you either for the Face ID or a password, it can be pretty obnoxious because you're not really truly buying anything. To turn that off, let's head into the settings, and then we'll tap on our name at the very top. And from here, we'll tap on Media and Purchases. And you'll see here password settings. We'll choose that option. Now, at the very bottom here, you can see free downloads require password. So all you have to do, if that is toggled on, you just toggle it off. Now, keep in mind that if you toggle it off, it might ask you, as it just did, to sign in to your Apple ID account just to verify that one time. But in the future, it will not ask you for a password if you download any of those free apps. Hope this helps. Thanks for your time today, and I'll see you on the next one.